Hello children, welcome to I Love Science. In this video, we will do some very simple fun science experiments with magnets. Magnets behave in a magical way because they can put attraction or repulsion force on the other magnet even if they are not touching each other. So let's see what we can do. So we will do the first experiment and show you a magical kite which can fly on its own. So you see that I have this kite here, there is this thread, and then if I hang it in the air, it normally falls down, but with the magnetic magic, I can actually make it hang in the air without, tying it to the top. So can you see that this kite, when I bring it near this magnet, it actually keeps flying, and I can show you that there is nothing between this top here and the kite. Okay. Now I'm sure you should be able to guess that how is this kite flying, because there is a clip made of iron inside this paper kite, and these strong magnets that I have put here, they are attracting that iron clip, and so this kite can stay here as if somebody is flying the kite, right? So this is a very simple toy. If you have some magnets like this, you can make this at home. This is also part of our science kit called Magnetic Magic, which we do in schools with children, and children have a lot of fun. Now let me show you one more simple toy. The other one, the kite that you saw, was made on the concept of attraction, that magnet was attracting a paper clip made of iron. Now here, this experiment that you see here is made on the concept of repulsion. So what you see here, I have this piece of plastic, and I have put 4 magnets onto this, and all these 4 magnets I have glued them onto this plastic, and there is one more magnet on this pencil here. Now the direction of all these magnets has been set in such a way that all the 4 magnets on the side are repelling the center magnet, and then the center, because of that force, the pencil is standing on its own, so that it looks like standing like magic. Now this is a simple concept of repulsion, that these 4 magnets are repelling the magnet on the pencil, and pencil can stand on its own. Similarly, you can make a lot of such toys on your own if you have some magnets at home using attraction and repulsion concept of magnets. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 simple toys made from magnets. Now tell me, do you know where these magnets are used in real life? Let me know your answers by putting the comments in the section below, and don't forget to like our page so that you can see our videos every day. Thank you.